Mayank Buntam, sir. Let's sanitize our hands. Akosi Vishal Bhutekar, second year medical student of the Medical School Foundation. And I'm here to take your musculoskeletal examination, particularly the shoulders. In this examination, there are few steps, like I will going to do the inspection, then palpation, then you have to follow the range of motion, and then some maneuvers are there. And then for this examination, I have to ask first few questions to you. And the importance of this examination is like if you have any bursitis or tendonitis, or if you have any pain or any difficulties in the range of motion, I'll get the diagnosis of that. Is it okay if I start with the identifying data? Means I will ask two questions.
Yes.
Okay. Unsa imong pangalan, sir?
Pujan Patel.
Pila imong edad?
21.
Unsa imong trabaho?
Student.
Unsa imong religion?
Hindu.
Naminyo ka?
Wala.
Okay. Then is it okay if we start the examination now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you remove your t-shirt? Okay, you can see. First, I will be going to do the inspection. In the inspection, I will be going to see the clavicle, then anterior shoulder, then just move little bit like this. Then this is the posterior shoulder, and then this is subacromial area. Okay. Then I will go with the palpation. For the palpation, I will start with the palpating the sternoclavicular joint. Then I will palpate the acromioclavicular joint. Then at the posterior, I will palpate for the spine of the scapula. Okay. And then I have to palpate the sits muscle. That is, I will palpate. This is the supraspinatus muscle. Do you feel pain
No.
while I am palpating?
No.
Okay, just tell me if you feel the pain. Infraspinatus, do you feel pain?
No.
Okay, this is teres minor muscle. Do you feel pain here?
No.
No? Okay. Then I will check for the subscapularis. Do you feel pain here?
No.
Okay. Then I have to check the subacromial area. For this, I will be going to extend your shoulder and I will flex the elbow. Okay. And I will be going to check the subacromial bursa. First, I will check the area. Then subacromial bursa, I will check. Do you feel any pain or anything?
No.
I can't find any swelling over here. Then I will go with the subdeltoid bursa. If there is any inflammation or anything, there will be the inflammation or pain will be there. But as you can see, there is no pain. Then we will go with the palpation of the bicep tendon. For this, I have to palpate here medially. Okay. Do you feel pain or anything?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. We did the palpation. So we will proceed with the range of motions. You have to stand for the range of motion. Okay, stand there in front of me. Okay. You have to take your hands up in front. Okay. Do you feel pain or anything? No. Take up. Okay. Take down now. Okay. Next will be you have to take the hands at the sides. Sides follow. Okay. Then take at your head. Just do you feel any pain or anything?
No.
Okay. Take down. Then you have to do the then we get the up back and then just 1 minute. At the back, you have to take the arms at the back. Do you feel any pain?
No.
No. Okay. Then next is you have to cross over your arms like this. Just follow like this. Do you feel any pain or anything?
No.
No. Okay. And then one more step is there, like crossover, and you have to follow the one instruction. Like you have to take your this right hand and just follow this instruction. Just place it on the medial side of the scapula. Okay. Do you feel pain or anything while doing this?
No.
Okay. Just follow with the left hand. Okay. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Just take it down. Okay. You may now sit. Okay, in the range of motion, there are no difficulties while performing any motions. So we'll proceed with the maneuvers. Is it okay if I
Yes.
go with this? First will be the apple scratch method. For this, you have to stand again, and I will tell you have to follow that. Okay. For the apple scratch, you have to take this your hand and just put your on your medial side of your scapula. First, follow the first this one like going like this and just follow. Check here medial side, and then now follow this action like from the up, palpate the medial side of the scapula. Okay. From the second hand, left hand. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. From the left side. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. If any pain is there, okay, you can take out. If any pain is there, that is positive sign of apple scratch. Then the next is Neer's impingement. In the Neer's impingement, you have to like I will going to give the pressure on your scapula and you have to I'll raise your hand. Just tell me if do you feel pain or anything. Do you feel
No.
pain?
No.
Okay. If the patient feels pain while doing the Neer's impingement test, that is a positive sign. And then next is Hawkins sign. For the Hawkins sign, you have to take the arms at the shoulder level. Then you have to flex the elbow, and then I will internally rotate the arm, and I will give the support for this arm, and I will internally rotate it. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay, I will perform on the other hand. Okay. Do you feel any pain?
No.
In case if the patient says he is having pain, that is a positive sign. Then we will go with the next maneuver, that is supraspinatus. For the supraspinatus, you have to abduct your arm. Just abduct your arm. Thumb should be pointing downward, and I will give the pressure over here, and you have to resist it. Okay. Just tell me if you feel pain.
No.
No? Okay. Just do it with the other hand. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. And the next test is checking for maneuver is infraspinatus test. Stress for the infraspinatus. For this, you have to take your hands at this level, and then you have to point it downwards. Just point it downwards, and I will resist from the outer side, and I will check for the just follow like this at the shoulder, then this, and just move it at the side outwards. Okay. Check it. Okay. As there is no pain noted, and the next step is supination. I will check for that also. For this, you have to just keep the arm at this level, same level, and I will flex the elbow, and you have to supinate your arm while I will give the resistance. Okay. Okay. Try to supinate. Do you feel any pain?
No.
I will go with the other hand. First do this and just supinate. You feel anything? Pain
No.
or anything? No? Okay, we did the examination. You can sit now. I did all the maneuvers. Like while doing these maneuvers, there is no pain noted. You can wear your t-shirt now. Okay. While this, I'll summarize everything. Like you are Pujan Patel, 21-year-old, living in Kasaliza. You are student and you are not married. That is single. And I did the inspection. There are no scars or anything over your shoulder. Then I did the palpation. While palpating, there is no pain noted. And then I did the range of motion. In that range of motion also, there is no any deformities noted. And while doing the maneuvers also, there is no pain noted. So you have any further question or clarification?
No.
No? Okay. Do you want to add anything?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.